Installing the Fuser maintenance kit in the Dell B5460dn printer. You can order the maintenance kit or Fuser online at fastprinters.com. The maintenance kit number is B5460-MK and the Fuser is 3319763. You want to turn your printer off and allow it to cool for 30 minutes before beginning this procedure. We'll start by turning off the power switch, and then we're going to remove the power cord. The rear door lifts right off the back of the printer. You can lift that and just set that to the side. And there are two clips. You need to push those two down and it will expose the fuser. And you'll see these two blue captive screws. Go ahead and turn those and loosen those screws. The fuser will slide straight out the back of the unit. And you can just take your new fuser and slide it straight in and then retighten your captive screws. Go ahead and close your rear guide and then reattach your rear door. We'll move around to the front of the printer and we'll remove the paper tray. And the pick tires are located up inside that tray cavity. You'll see those there. Sometimes it's easier if you put the printer on the back. There's a blue guide for duplexing and a paper flag. You might have to pull that guide down, squeeze that clip, and the pick tires slide right off. And then you can take your new pick tires, slide those straight on. They'll snap all the way in, and make sure put your guide back and your paper flag is clear. Press this blue button and it will release the separator roller from the tray, and then you can snap in the new separator roller on the tray. It snaps in with a click, and then reinstall your paper tray. Go ahead and open up the toner access door and drop down the multi-purpose tray. Lift out the toner cartridge, and then you can lift out the imaging unit, and we're going to change the transfer roller. You'll see on the left there's a bushing and a blue gear on the right. You can lift that out and it'll slide to the right and come out. Now on your new transfer roller you don't want to touch any of the surfaces on it, and you want to leave the paper on that transfer roller. So you want to have the tab of the paper up, slide that in on the left right into that bushing, drop that in there, and then the gear side will snap in with a click. Once it's in, you can go ahead and remove the paper. Go ahead and slide in your imaging unit and then the toner cartridge. Close your door and your multipurpose tray. We're going to do a reset on the maintenance counter. You want to hold in the 2 and the 6, and then you want to power the printer on while holding down on the 2 and the 6. And you'll need to hold those down for about 10 seconds. Go ahead and remove your fingers from the 2 and the 6, and it's going to come up in a config menu. Once you see the menu, you'll want to hit the arrow down to reset maintenance counter, and then press OK. The printer will go ahead and reset the maintenance counter and then come back. And then use the up arrow to exit config menu. Press OK. The printer will restart and come up in the ready state, and the procedure is complete.